Welcome back. Are you ready to get started? The process for this type of card is the same as for a base card. After you get your prints, take the front card and trim out the opening for your material. Choose a backer material about as thick as your material. Cut it down to fit your prints. Now, glue your front to the spacer. When you're ready to adhere them, make sure you have some photo-safe glue. Cut the spacer as well. Cut your material to fit the window. Lightly glue the material in place. Depending on the thickness of your spacer, you may need to align the back by hand while the glue is sticky. At this point, the process is the same as for a base card. Wait the appropriate amount of time for the glue to set, then it's as simple as cutting along the lines. I hope this video has helped you. Please share any of your creations.